How to withdraw from Wealthsimple. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from your Wealthsimple account. Whether you're using a self-directed investing account, a crypto account, or a Wealthsimple checking account, the process is quick and straightforward. So let's get started. First, start by opening the Wealthsimple app and signing into your account. From the home screen, select the account you want to withdraw money from. Before making a withdrawal, make sure the funds are available. If you have recently deposited money or sold stocks, ETFs, or crypto, you may need to wait for the funds to settle before they can be withdrawn. Tap Transfer or Move Money, then select your linked bank account as the destination. Enter the amount you'd like to withdraw and tap Next. Review the withdrawal details carefully and tap Submit to confirm the transaction. Wealthsimple will begin processing your withdrawal request. Wealthsimple also offers instant withdrawals to supported debit cards. Keep in mind that instant withdrawals may include a fee, while standard bank withdrawals are generally free.